I'm the Brave Girl, your cybersecurity expert. Imagine being able to install software on all your company devices with a simple drag and drop. Imagine changing the wallpaper of every device across your organization from one single upload. Imagine stopping anyone on your team from installing unauthorized software instantly from one place. Imagine never worrying about malware or viruses because Brave Protect is always working in the background. Imagine blocking all USB ports, even from your mobile phone. Imagine stopping access to websites you don't want your team visiting with just a single tap. Imagine changing device passwords for employees who no longer work with you, or locking a device the moment it's lost or stolen. Imagine enforcing your business security policies automatically, without stress, without complexity, powered by AI. Now, imagine doing all of this from one simple platform. That's Brave. We simplify cybersecurity and device control in a way you've never seen before. Start your 1-month free trial today and see what Brave can do for your organization. Brave, your last line of defense.